Hi, I'm an old guy and I do maths. So, function of x is equal to 1 over x minus 3. What is the differential of that? What is f dash x? Using first principles. Well, there's a question as to whether anyone in their right mind would want to do this. The obvious workaround is to use the chain rule, but the person who gave me this problem is just starting out with differentiation, so obviously the starting point is usually differentiation by first principles. He hasn't seen the chain rule, and so he gave me this to have a look at. So the first thing we've got to figure out, well, actually no. Remember that what we are looking for is the function of the function of x plus h minus the function of x over h as h tends to 0. So something to work out first is what is this? And this is what it is. It's 1 over x plus h minus 3, which we can write as simply 1 over x plus h minus 3. There's no magic in that. So, f dash x is going to equal 1 over x plus h minus 3 minus 1 over x minus 3. We'll put a bracket around those. All over h, as of course h tends to 0 with its limit. So what are we going to do about this? This looks really nasty. Well, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to simplify this numerator. So let's go to work on that. We've got 1 over x plus h minus 3 minus 1 over x minus 3. So, let's get ourselves a line here. We're just going to cross multiply this. And so what we get is we get x minus 3 minus x, we'll put that in a bracket 2, plus h minus 3. So that's that times that and that times that, all over x plus h minus 3 times x minus 3. So this is just the simple process of addition or subtraction of fractions using cross multiplication. Now, the next thing that we'll do is we'll tidy up this numerator. So we have got x minus 3 minus x minus h plus 3. So that's very easily tidied. That goes, that goes, that goes, and that goes. It's negative h. Well, this just doesn't get any better. So negative h over x plus h minus 3 times x minus 3. That's where we're at the moment. I hope so far this has made sense. So our biggest problem is this now. How are we going to deal with this? We really don't want this up here. I thought a little while about this and I came up with this. I'm going to divide the whole thing by h. Now what does that equal? That equals 1 over h times, so when we're dividing a fraction, we just multiply by the reciprocal. Negative h all over x plus h minus 3 times x minus 3. And what does that have the effect of doing? Well, 1 times negative h is negative h. What we can do is we can cancel these two things, this h and this h, and what we're going to wind up with is negative 1 as our numerator. So those two cancel. It's negative 1 times 1. This remains the same. So x plus h minus 3 times x minus 3. Now we have 1h here, which is really, really good news. What shall we do now? Okay, I think we'll work towards our limit, which is h tending to 0. That's a negative. That's x minus 3. And what was our limit? H tends to 0. Okay, so if that is 0, what we wind up with is negative 1 over x plus 0, which is x minus 3. X minus 3 times x minus 3. And our answer will be negative 1 over x minus 3 squared. And those of you who would care to check can use the chain rule, and you'll get to this a great deal faster. Anyway, that is how it's done. I do hope you found that interesting. I don't pretend that I did this on the fly, so to speak. I had to think about what I do about this in particular. Anyway, thanks very much for watching. If you did find this useful and interesting, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.